Anya was there some days ago. Miss Nigeria Akudo has visited them too. Now, Mr. Depoy Banji aka D-Banj on Tuesday in Abuja, after visiting the bomb blast victims, urged Nigerian youths to shun violence and embrace peace. D-Banj made the call when he visited some victims of the Nyanya bomb blast in company of the FCT Health Secretary, Dr. Admola Onakomayor, at the Asakura District Hospital, Abuja. According to him, government alone cannot do all that is required for peace to reign in the country. I am a Nigerian and I am affected by any tragedy that befalls us, and particularly in the spirit of Easter, I came to show the victims support. I have seen that the survivors are responding positively to treatment and thank the medical team here for the efforts. We are appealing to the perpetrators of these acts to have a rethink and support the peace initiative so that our people would not be subjected to such wickedness. Banj donated several gift items to the victims and also settled some hospital bills.